Hey guys, I'm showing you this bar cart for the home. Bar cart with the wheels and the handles, three-tier home bar serving cart with a wine rack and glass holder. So rolling wine cart for the kitchen, we just to put it in the side, all these structures, and then the shelf. So one by one you put in the shelf. So this is the top shelf and after that it is the whole product. So you can use the wine bottles in the middle, you can put the glasses, wine glasses here in the bottom shelf like I will show this one. So for the wine glasses, so you can just slide in. So middle shelf for the wine bottles and bottom shelf also for the bottles that you want to use. So top part you can put the glasses, snacks, or the bottles like this way, and the store the standard size bottles. So it's very nice and helpful with the handle and with the wheels, and pretty good to have a wine bar with a working wine bar and helpful in all those things on the occasions.